Jicama is a low-calorie food that can help you manage your weight. A 100-gram serving of jicama contains just 38 calories, making it an excellent choice for people who are watching their calorie intake. Jicama is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after eating. Fiber can also help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Jicama is a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your body from free radical damage. Jicama has a crisp, slightly sweet flavor and a crunchy texture that makes it a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes. It can be eaten raw or cooked. Blood sugar regulation. Jicama has a low glycemic index, which means it can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin. Good choice for people with diabetes.